Hi friends, welcome to the Plane Fun RC channel. I'm your host Saul. We've got an Oracle biplane. I apologize for the angle, folks. Just trying to have to find a spot so that we're not in the way of the pilots and the planes. But we'll definitely make sure to get a clear picture of the aircraft. But nonetheless, folks, sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight. There we go. We're having some kind of mechanical issue there, folks. Alright, well, short and sweet, nothing wrong with that. Let's give him a second, see if it goes back up. And if not, well, we can always capture him again, or maybe that'll be the only flight. We'll see. Stay with us, folks. Don't go anywhere. You never know what's going to happen here on Plane Fun RC. The turnout's been stunning, folks. While we're waiting for this gentleman to work out the mechanical issue, the turnout's been stunning. The weather is gorgeous. I will give a couple tips for you if you're coming to the Joe Nall. On day one, there aren't that many food vendors set up. You have to keep in mind, everybody's sitting up on day one. So do plan to bring some food with you. Some of the food vendors might be set up, but definitely on day two going forward, all the vendors have food set up. And keep in mind, even though we're in South Carolina, the nights can get very cold, so bring a jacket and something warm, but the days can get very hot as well. All right, folks, sit back, relax. Here we go again. Oh, goodness gracious. Folks, continue our crash coverage here of the Oracle biplane. You can see that it's very fixable. Just the main gear folded underneath the plane. So not severe damage, but it sucks nonetheless. All right, friends, more to come.